to my vlog today. Just gonna do a follow me around type of vlog thing because I did change my YouTube name and I changed it like a couple times. But today right now we're going to a football field near where I live, and we're gonna try to do just an intro for my next video, like some couple of clips of me. So yeah, I hope you like it. And Billy's with me, he's gonna film it.
So
there he is. So I will see you at the next location. That's in my shop.
SL 100.
you're not supposed to go out that way.
On air, Ryan Seacrest and Ellen K.
Ugh, cigarettes.
Tomorrow, Howie Mandel talking about AGT. We're working on Ariana Grande and maybe even Adam Levine.
Oh, wow.
Anyway, so that's
Right
tomorrow.
now we're at Hibachi, and we got here just in time for lunch. Woohoo!
$11.95.
It's at $11.95.
That's how much it costs.
Oh.
Pull your window up.
We just got done eating hibachi. It was so good. I'm so full now. Are you full?
I'm cool. I'm good.
Okay, now since it didn't work out at the football field in my town, we're gonna go to the actual university here to try to film it. So I'll see you when we get there.
Yeah. Is that good?
Hi guys, I'm back at home right now. I stopped, I can't remember last time when I filmed something, but I got home and I filmed my what's in my school bag video. That should be up soon, and if it's already up or if it's gonna be up soon, I'll link it over here. Or I'll definitely link it in the description box if it's up already, but if it's not, it should be coming very soon. And I hope you guys love it because I am editing it right now. But I just got home. Basically, me and my boyfriend got here and we watched Big Brother because we love that show and we missed it on Sunday because it's Monday right now. We missed it yesterday, so we just watched it and caught up on the episodes. And now, basically, I'm just watching E-News. No, not E-News. I'm watching live from the red carpet for the Emmy Awards. I'll show you guys right here. I'm just watching it on my little TV. It looks like it's very small, but it's bigger.